everyone, my name is Dale Meredith, and I want to welcome you to my course, Information Gathering and Vulnerability Identification for CompTIA PenTest Plus. Now, this course is part 5 of the series for CompTIA PenTest Plus certification program. Hey, but guess what? This isn't going to be just a course about all you need to know for certification. We'll talk about those things, but we'll also cover other information that's more real world and based on some of my own personal experiences. Hey, I'm all about the value. So at this point in the series, we've finished identifying, enumerating, and uncovering vulnerabilities through our active and passive reconnaissance efforts. But now it's time to use our toolset and skills to identify how to exploit those said vulnerabilities to attack the target organization. So our next step is to figure out what to do with this data. In this course, you'll learn the fundamental knowledge of and gain the ability to analyze the vulnerabilities that we've discovered. First, you'll learn how to choose the right vulnerability scanner, be it open source or commercial, on-prem, or even cloud-based. Next, you'll discover how to organize said data by categorizing the assets, identifying false positives, and preparing for adjudication. Finally, you'll explore how to transform this data into actionable exploits, which is really cool. So yeah, by the end of this course, you'll know everything concerning analyzing vulnerabilities. Now, please don't start this course without watching the first 4 courses in this series, including the first course, Laying the Foundation for Penetration Testing for CompTIA PenTest Plus. This is where we set up the lab environment that you'll see me do all my demos in. And trust me, I'd like for you to be able to follow along. You should also have a background in network and security. I recommend checking out our Security Plus series here at Pluralsight. Now, after you watch this course, you should feel really comfortable into diving further into this series. I'd even go back and maybe even look at some of our ethical hacking courses as well. Now that out there knows what he's talking about. So I hope you'll join me on this exciting journey and learnings in information gathering and vulnerability identification for CompTIA PenTest Plus here at Pluralsight.